Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I got this Kaytee Chew Proof water bottle. It's made out of glass, and it has a steel bottom over here, and it has a little rubber ducky, and not a rubber, it's made out of probably something else, but a little floating ducky in there that helps you tell the height of the water to let you know if you're running out and stuff like that. It's called the Friendly Reminder Refill, is what it's called. So it's safe, it's durable, chew-proof design for guinea pigs, rats, chinchillas, and other small animals, is what it says. This is what the back of it says. So it does go on the outside, is what it looks like right here. As you can see, it does look like it goes on the outside and it comes inside. So we're going to have to wing it and try to do it that way. So let's open this up and see what's up and see what it looks like. Can we see it on the cage? Yeah. So we ended up putting the food bowl over here in the bottom, which you can't see, but you're going to see in a second when we put this on. So let's take this off first. So we're going to see what this kind of looks like right now. The flat part, I guess, goes against the thing. So yeah, I'm guessing the flat part goes against this. So let's see how that's going to go. Put this cap on there. Hold this. Oh, you got it. Go. Squeeze it.
Oh wait, let's go to the other side.
Put it on here.
I'm gonna go to the other side.
Alright, so I'm going to put it on here. Clip it on this one right here.
So, with part
Right here, this one, right here. Clip it on right here. That one, yeah. This one, yeah. Clip it. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
Now pull.
I'm going to put on the same one, okay? Shit, I missed it. 1 second.
Yeah.
This one, right?
Yeah. Then.
Okay, got it.
Done.
Done.
Alright.
That's it. Alright, so that's kind of what it looks like. Let's go up close and look at it. So I'm going to have the water bowl, I'm going to have the food bowl over here, and then I'm going to have the water, canister, tank, whatever, water bottle I'm going to have over here, and that's going to be right here, and that's how it goes on with this. It was really simple. You saw I put this on with him, and we put this on, and then it comes with the little ducky in there, and then that clipped on over there for the top. And this should clip on a little bit higher or lower, but it's okay. We'll clip it. We'll try it again. And this should be, I think, supposed to be right here, but it's okay. It's still holding it tight, so it doesn't matter for now. So that's what it kind of looks like, and that's an idea, a little review on that, okay? So any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures of everything else I like to put up, and of reviews, and help you guys out with making decisions on picking up stuff, all right? So everyone be safe, enjoy. Have a good one. Bye.